Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make these yummy cake bites. Start by whisking together 220 grams of cream cheese and 60 grams of unsalted butter. To a clean bowl, add some leftover vanilla cake crumbs, blueberry jam and a dollop of your cream cheese mixture. Blend it together to form a dough. Scoop some out and use the palm of your hands to roll it into a ball. Then dip in melted white chocolate. Next, blend together some leftover chocolate cake crumbs, orange jam and the cream cheese mixture. Forming another dough, scoop it out and roll it into a ball. Dip in melted chocolate. Finally, blend some leftover red velvet cake crumbs with strawberry jam and a dollop of the cream cheese mixture. Again, rolling it into a ball. This time, we're going to dip it in red candy melts. Let's decorate those with a drizzle of candy melts and chocolate. And there you have it. Yummy cake bites. Who could ask for anything more? Enjoy!